This is another question from some application of trigonometry. It says two ships are there in the sea on the either side of the lighthouse. So it is important to remember that these two ships are on the either side of the lighthouse. So let's say, for example, this is the sea and I have to make a lighthouse. Make sure when you make the lighthouse, it should not be at the center, right? And this is AB here. Let's say C and D be the two ships here. And now further it says that they are making an they are on the straight line, and the angle of depression observed from the top of the lighthouse are found to be 60 and 45 degree. So for that we need to make a horizontal. Let's say this be the horizontal, and then we will make two angles of depressions, one from 1 to C and the other we will make to D. So these are the two depressions drawn, and the angle of depression as it is given. So the one which is closer to 90 should be taken bigger. So among 60 and 45, we'll take this as 60 degree and this being 45 degree. So we can, by applying alternate interior angle, this will be 60 and this will be 45. Further, you can read here, it says that the height of the lighthouse is 200 meter. That means the length of AB is given as 200 meter. This is AB, which is 200 meter, that is mentioned. Now, finally, we have to find the distance between the two ships. That means we have to get the length of this CD. As we can clearly see from the figure, CD can be obtained if we find the value of BC and we add this to the value of BD. Right. So it can easily be calculated. Let's say if you start with a triangle, you can start with any triangle. As of now, I'm first considering triangle ABC. In this triangle, we have tan 60 is equal to perpendicular, that is AB in this case, over BC. Tan 60, whose value is √3, is equal to AB, which is mentioned as 200 over BC. Now, next what we can do cross multiplication. That will give us the value of BC as 200 over √3. We can rationalize it. So BC is equal to 200 √3 over 3. Now, after that, we will get the value of BD. We get the value of the other, that is BD here. We will consider triangle. In triangle, say ABD, will be applying tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular here is AB and the base is BD. Tan 45, whose value is 1, AB, which is 200 meter as per the question, and BD is what we have to get. So by cross multiplication, we got BD as 200 meter. Clearly, I have mentioned that we have to get the length of CD, and CD can be obtained by adding these two. So CD, which is equal to BD plus BC, and BD, which is 200, and BC, which is 200 √3 over 3. Now what you can do, you can take 200 common and then simplify it 1 plus 1 by 3 √3. And placing the value of √3, you'll get the final answer of this question.